Let's kick things off with Meta's Llama. This isn't just another large language model. It's Meta's flagship AI, a symbol of their commitment to open-source technology. Remember, Zuckerberg himself called the launch of Llama the Linux moment for AI, and that's a powerful statement. He's envisioning a future where AI isn't locked behind closed doors, but accessible to everyone. And that vision is attracting a lot of attention. We've seen Llama's popularity explode this year, with hundreds of millions of downloads and thousands of variations created by developers worldwide. This open approach isn't just about sharing code. It's about fostering a community, enabling innovation, and democratizing AI development. Think of it like the early days of the internet, a vibrant, collaborative space where anyone can contribute. That's the power of open source, and that's what Meta is aiming for with Llama. Pretty exciting, right? Now, let's switch gears and talk about OpenAI's GPT. While Llama is all about openness, GPT represents the proprietary, closed-source approach. OpenAI, originally founded with open-source principles, has shifted to a more restrictive model. This means developers can't just download and tinker with GPT like they can with Llama. They have to access it through an API, which comes with limitations and costs. OpenAI argues this approach is necessary to protect their technology and ensure responsible development. But this raises some important questions. What happens when a small group controls a technology as powerful as AI? Does it stifle innovation? Does it create a dependency that we might regret later? These are the kinds of debates we're seeing right now in the AI community, and it's a conversation worth having. Llama 3 is a game changer. Meta took everything they learned from Llama 2 and cranked it up to 11. We're talking about a model trained on trillions of tokens, making it incredibly powerful and capable of handling complex tasks. Think text generation, coding, logical puzzles, even writing stories. Llama 3 can do it all, and with a level of accuracy that rivals some of the best closed models. But here's the kicker. It's open source. This means developers can take Llama 3, fine-tune it for their specific needs, and create customized AI solutions. Imagine the possibilities. Plus, Meta is already working on even bigger, multilingual, and multimodal versions of Llama 3. This might seem like a niche topic, guys, but this makes Llama 3 a potential cornerstone for the future of AI, especially its impact on open research and innovation. GPT-4 is no slouch either. It's the current king of the hill for closed-source models, and for good reason. It's the model behind ChatGPT, the AI that ignited the chatbot craze. It's remarkably accurate, able to understand context, generate high-quality text, and even handle some pretty tricky reasoning tasks. It's still closed-source, though, so while developers can access it through the API, they don't have the freedom to tweak it or customize it like they can with Llama. That makes it incredibly powerful, but it comes with the same questions we discussed earlier about the control over AI technology and the potential for dominance. It's a complex issue with no easy answers. Meta isn't just creating language models, they're building an entire AI ecosystem. Meta AI, their intelligent assistant, is integrated into Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger, taking aim at becoming the world's most used AI assistant. And it's powered by Llama. This puts Meta's open-source model front and center for hundreds of millions of users every day. They're using it for everything from generating text and images to handling customer inquiries and automating tasks. This real-world integration gives Meta a huge advantage in training and refinement. The more people use Meta AI, the more data they generate, and the smarter the models become. It's a powerful cycle of feedback and improvement, making Meta AI a central force in Meta's overall AI strategy. Elon Musk's Grok is another interesting contender in this space. It's deeply integrated into the X social platform, giving users access to real-time information and an uncensored take on controversial topics along with its own brand of humor. It's also one of the few models designed to handle multiple queries at once, making it stand out from the crowd. Musk is a vocal critic of what he sees as overly cautious censorship in other AI, and that's reflected in Grok's design and the conversations around its unfiltered approach. Grok is also built to be witty and engaging, injecting some personality into the often dry world of AI. It's definitely one to watch, especially as XAI continues to refine and expand its capabilities. Meta's Movie Gen is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with generative AI. This set of research models can create custom videos from simple text inputs, add sound effects, and even edit existing videos. Think about that for a second. You type in a description, and the AI generates a video for you. It's still in early stages of development, but the potential here is mind-blowing. Imagine creating personalized videos for your social media, generating animated birthday greetings, or even producing short films with just a few clicks. That's the kind of change Movie Gen could herald. It's facing challenges, of course, including concerns about people misusing the technology and the tricky regulatory environment around the EU and GDPR laws, but Meta is committed to developing this technology responsibly. It's a brave new world, and Movie Gen is taking us right into it. Remember Google's NotebookLlama? It was a great tool for summarizing and interacting with documents. Well, Meta created an open-source version called NotebookLlama, and it's changing the game in how AI can be used for data analysis. Think of it as your personal AI research assistant, able to generate conversational summaries from text files, answer your questions, and even provide deeper insights. This is incredibly valuable for students, researchers, and anyone who works with large amounts of data. And because it's open source, developers can customize it, extend it, and make it even more powerful. That's the beauty of open source. It empowers the community to create solutions tailored to their specific needs. And that's what makes NotebookLlama so significant, especially as an open alternative to proprietary tools. So, what can we expect from Llama 4? Zuckerberg hinted at major improvements in reasoning, voice interaction, and overall performance, and that's what we're all waiting to see. Pre-training for this model is going to require a massive amount of computation, but Meta is investing huge resources to maintain their lead in open-source AI. Rumors also suggest Llama 4 will have some impressive multimodal capabilities. Think audio features integrated with their Ray-Ban smart glasses, creating a seamless and intuitive way to interact with AI. If Meta pulls this off, it could be a serious threat to OpenAI and Google's strategy of creating one unified AI system. It's still early days, though, and Meta is facing some significant challenges, particularly around data privacy and regulatory compliance in Europe. The tech giant will have to address these challenges if it wants to make Llama 4 the global standard, but the competition in this space is fierce and the fight for the future of AI is just getting started. OpenAI is keeping its cards close to its chest when it comes to GPT-5. The company is not as open as Meta, so we don't have any firm details about its features or release date. But if history is any guide, we can expect significant improvements in accuracy, reasoning, and overall performance. It could be multimodal, like Llama 4 or the most recent OpenAI model, GPT-4o, and if so, this means having it trained on more than just text, such as images, audio, and even video. This would expand its capabilities significantly, allowing it to handle even more complex and varied tasks. But again, the open versus closed source question is at the forefront for many. It's a critical issue for the future of AI development and one that both OpenAI and Meta will have to address. As we wrap up this video, it's clear that the AI landscape is changing fast. The battle between open and closed models is intensifying, and both Llama and GPT are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Which approach will ultimately prevail? Only time will tell.